Hey everyone, thanks for watching. As you could tell from the thumbnail, this is a boat series. I was actually given this boat. I was looking to get a John boat, and a good friend of mine actually gave me this one. It used to be his grandfather's. It's a boat from the late 70s. There's a lot of work that's going to be needing to be done, but you can see in the other videos, and I'm going to jump to progress so far, and then you can see me work on this boat and motor. What's up everyone, thanks for watching. I'm excited to let all of you know that this trailer is 100% finished, and here is the finished product. So as you've probably seen in some of the other videos, we put a new tongue on, welded it up with a 2-inch ball, new wiring, got a jack on there that's brand new. Right here we put a new winch so we can pull the boat up. It's got all brand new boards wrapped in turf. Right here we've got new tires and hubs. I put these poles on there so you can see when you're driving a little bit easier. And then it's got new submergible lights. So this is it. So it's been a fun project getting this trailer all fixed up. So now I've just got to get the boat all fixed up, but that's what it looks like. So I'm excited to finish this project. So thanks for watching. If you hadn't already done so, please like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. God bless you. Just got home with the 40 Evinrude. It's a 2-stroke. It says Big Twin on it. Evinrude 40. So super excited to work on this boat. I talked to the original owner, and they said it had been a long time, probably 25-30 years since this motor was running, but last time they went out it was running. So I'm hoping there's good compression and spark and everything like that. So this is gonna be a fun project. See if we can get this thing going. All right, I got it in the garage. Just got it propped up so y'all can see it, but here it is, the old Evinrude. Tons of just dirt and stuff had came out of the bottom of this. So I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but we shall see. There it is, the Big Twin Evinrude. Here it is from the front, 40. A bunch of the cables are all cut, but should be a lot of fun. All right, right here at the bottom of the motor, there's this gap, and as you can see, there's all kinds of clay, mud. I've just been working a bunch of this out, trying to kind of tap on it. You can just see it coming out. It's crazy, but here's the big pile just for reference. You know, that's a lot of dirt right there. Dirt and mud, clay over the years. I don't know how all that got in there, but hopefully I can get this motor going. I don't know a ton about motors, so this will be the first one I'm gonna get into and rebuild. So well, kind of stinks. I thought I'd hit record, but I didn't. I just took this top off of the motor so y'all can see it, but there's all the inside. All that insulation's ate up. There's all kinds of bugs and whatnot in this motor. Whenever I was getting it today, there's a bunch of roaches, and looks like there's been some mice, and who knows, dirt daubers. But I'm gonna take it off this stand and show you a little closer view. All right, got some dirt daubers, a lot of junk going on. There's your top spark plug bottom. Bunch of this mess is all up in here. So I'm gonna have to get and clean all this out. But that's it. That's what it looks like. Alright, I grabbed a trash can and I'm just gonna kind of go through all this bunch of nasty mess. Probably ought to have some gloves on. Oh, there's a big wasp nest. Pretty nasty junk. Anyway, I'm gonna spare y'all the time where you don't have to watch me just pick all of this nasty junk out of this motor. Went ahead and got some gloves on. That way I can get in here and get all this mess out. But it's looking a lot better already. Still got a long way to go. Once I get all this big stuff out, I'm gonna get a water hose and try to get all this drained out of here and let it dry for a couple days and then go from there. All right, here's the second pile got out of there. And I kind of switched it up a little bit. I went ahead and picked up that motor, got 2x4, got it on there. So that way it can sit freely there and then I can move it around on the trailer, be able to work on it. I'm gonna take it outside and spray it down with a water hose and all that. So I think this would be a great little setup to be able to work on it. I can just pull it right out, spray it down, and get into here and start working on it. All right, here it is, getting ready to spray it all out and see about getting all this mud out and getting it all cleaned up. right, here it is, the big twin Evinrude 40. Got it all cleaned up, as you seen earlier. Got all the inside cleaned out. There it is. Pretty sweet. It is a electric start, but if you open it up, you got your pull start right there. And you got where you can access for your choke right there. Choke's off, and then you can just pull that, and down in here you can see that moving. But it I pulled it earlier, and you can hear the motor trying to start. Obviously I don't have any gas or whatever, so I'm not just gonna pull on it, but pretty neat. It's got all the instructions and everything. These old motors, they're good. They'll last if you take care of them. So this one hadn't started in probably 25 years, but I think I can maybe get it back going. Down in there, I got all that trash out, blew it all out. There in the bottom, I got to where it's shooting water out, and should be good. We'll just have to see how it does.